everyone, it's me Kimrose. In today's class, we will discuss the topic adjectives. Adjectives ahong kiti ahile describe a noun. Noun to ipiham. Noun is a naming word. A person, name of a person, name of places, name of things or ideas. Tichu previous class noun and its types. Tiho ini discuss tavin. Hiti ho to na het be no mahile, na het si no mahile video maso to ana vedingen kahinti me. Tu ni adjective hizi tun adjectives to focus pe yu hite. Adjectives ahong kiti ahile describing of noun. Noun hi na hin say tin ho to adjective kiti. Tun example ana view hite. I like the red flower. Hiti sentence ahi hoiti hi noun ham. Flower is a noun. It's a flower hi itabang ham. It's a red flower. And then it's a noun hin satin. Noun describe him bol to red hi na. It's a pen hi adjective hong hitai. And then we'll come to the next sentence. A cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. It's a sentence hi hong vikit no pala. It's like hi noun hoi ti ham cup. Ay vang ata hi adjective hong lo. As it's a noun, he itabang ham ti hin say tin umlaut na. And then tilay hongo hitele, a small cup of coffee. It's a cup he, noun he, itabang ham hin say tin to, it is small he na. Here, small talks about the appearance, the size of the cup. Then what size is the cup? Small. It's not big. Size, small he atu, it's he adjective hitai. And then we'll come to the next sentence. A beautiful small cup of coffee. Cup to itabang ham, small, an adjective. And this cup, how is it look light? How is it looks light? Beautiful. And this is also adjective. Okay? Noun hina describe hin bol to adjective kiti hi. Tun abana dingin. That's an interesting house. For example, there is one house here in it's in he ivadahile hoi kisato. That's an interesting house. ing. Na, I am interested in buying that house. That means ed. ing ed ahong kiti ahile tense to hong kilaw kitato. Continuous tense, past perfect, present perfect di ho ini sayo na idi ho ay. Iti het me no mo vahile tense class ana veki no hitin ibol tay tavin previous video ana inivat thiwa hi. Tun adjective hi past, present, future adjective hitayam. No, remember adjective do not show time. Adjective hi no time. Adjective do not show time. Time umlo. Past song hitalo, present hitalo, future hitalo. Okay. ing to ed umbanga hi tense song. Tense time, past, present, future hilo hi. Abanle ihet diu khatsu ing hitlaya ing interesting, interested. It's hi verb to zong kilojo. Nale may looks like a verb, but it's not. It's not. Verb hilohi. Aile ing to ipihia, ed to ipiham anaviohidi. What is the difference between ed adjectives and ing adjectives? Ed adjectives ahiyahile my emotions. Na emotions. Nangaku na itabang lungtim na ne. Tilhat na mo, for example, in tilhat na mo iti tilhana mo ato ipinatiam. Are you excited? Are you scared? Na, kay kahidi nga, kaya kakisaydi nga hili, I'm scared. Ipiham ay kitatsa. What scares me? The ghost is scaring. Na, tilhatun ay kitatsa hiza ato, tilha ka mo ato kay to kakitatu si ato, I am scared. Ed. Kazadi. Because it's my emotion. Nang emotion na say di pa zong la ed na zadi. Na ahile ipin isu kicat ham goes dun ikicat sa to hiti goes to ka say dingale ing kaman. Okay? Example adin I am exhausted. Exhausted. I am exhausted. Kalal ji ato. I am exhausted. Ipin inlal sa ham because my day was exhausting. My day was exhausting. Ing. Na. Ed. I am exhausted. I am expressing my emotion. It is atu ed. Ipin ihin tachol sa ham. My day. My day was exhausting. Ihin tachol sa ho to ing hiding. Kay kin ka tachol ka express sa dinga to ed kimang. Okay? Tuon silang hi anaveta hitale. Ed adjectives and describe a feeling of emotion. For example, here, I am tired. I am tired. I am hitihike emotions. Na, tizi atu ed. Okay? And then he looks excited. Excited at the ahile hitipa he excited. He looks excited. Thanum. Athanume. Thanum to e. Ipin asu thanum. Ipin athanum saham. Tahi, what makes me tired? What gives him excited? Na, the dog seems scared. The dog seems scared. Uita he thinks it. No, uita he thinks here. I mean, uita he name of a noun here. Na, that he uita ho he akitat akipa ki hethelo he zatu seems kazai. Oh, he zatu scared. Ele ipina kitat sa. What scared the dog? What gives him excitement? Why am I so tired? Na, what makes me tired? Hiti hotu tilkhat umsuke na. Hiti tilkhat hotu kasay dinga hile ing hiding. Hiti hi kema emotion, ama emotion, dog emotion, hizi atu ed kimang hi. Ale, tun ing adjectives. Hiti hi ing hi tabanga kimang hamiti ahile describe characteristic. Hiti characteristic hi. For example, our trip was exciting. Ipiham exciting to trip. Na ati now aga ki hui tha now munju exciting. Tizatu hiti hin amho he excite sai. That's ing. Work today was tiring. Work today was exhausting. Zong na ti the. Tuni na to chu. Tha chot a the. Ipina tha chot sa uham. Work. Na til khanin mi khat a tha chot sa ahile. Hiti til pa chu ing. Children are exhausting. Hiti ahi ivat diu khat chu. Children are exhausting a kiti ahile. Tapang ho hi ivat ahile. Ki tha chol he ki lalzi he na. Hiti ajo tapang ho na vat na tha chol ahile. Children are exhausting. Na ay lo ahile. Children are exhausted. Idi na manding ahile. Children ho hi tapang ho hi aki hatip be se zivin they are exhausted. Aki tip ziva exhausted. Na ay lo ahile ing na manahile. Then you are talking about the children. Tapang ho hi active ya energetic hi vintin. Ivat zong le thachol a umwe. Thachol a umove. Tapang ho chun nehin su thachol zi atu ing na mandi. Nang na thachol ahile. Tapang ho cha thachol ahile. Children are exhausted. And if it is children exhaust na thachol sa to children hi ahile ing na mandi. Okay? Panzom dingin adjective ed adjective ing ivat zo hin tun common mistakes adjective ed ing a common mistake ini neziu ini bol ini man khaziu common mistakes ho chu tham khan anaveu hite it's like common mistakes are he My children had an exam that are stressful. My job makes me stressful. I am stressful. It's hidiam. It's like a stressful. Kimanghi. Adi to kilawahi na. Evang adi lawahi. It's ahi. Idizo. Imandio. He's stressed. My children had an exam. They are stressed. My job makes me stressed. I am stressed. Okay? Aile full to iti palimandiham. Stressful to iti palimandiham. It is used only in situations. It is used only in situation. Full he stressful he ipiham a meaning to diahile something that causes stress or makes you feel tense. When something gives you stress or when something makes you feel tense means tension. If you will naman di. Oh, for example, exam are always stressful for students. Students adi nga ipihi stress penam iti ahil exam na. Iti exam part hi am ho di nga hi tension laita hi jatu. Iti ho aju stressful if you will pa hi. And then moving to a new house can be stressful experience. Iti ho the bang ho hi full ki mang hi na. When something give you tension or something cause stress, if you will kimangi. Shifting from one place to another is also a stressful experience, right? Moving to a new house can be also a stressful experience. Okay, it's a adjective stressful, but FUL plus NESS it's not adjective, it's noun. Okay. Full ho hi ipipiha full ho to hina honzo himgeldi vole helpful, powerful, thoughtful, thankful, hopeful, painful, full tam taum hina. It's also to adjective hin. It's a full to ness ahung hi ahile. Adjective, it's no more adjective, it's noun. It will become noun. Okay, for example, helpfulness. Helpfulness hotu ipiti kimanga. I appreciate your helpfulness. Hito hin noun hitayo. Joyfulness, full plusness, joyfulness of the crowd. The crowd was amazing. Iti fullness hotu sihi. It become noun. Why? Because full is added with ness. Then the word become noun. Okay, now we'll do a quick test. Hitia explain kahin boltan iti pala ed ki mga iti pala ing ki mga hamti ini say tavin to hin test quick test and the bolo hite. Here, first question. The movie was excited or exciting? It is exciting. Why? It is exciting because it's not your emotion. It's not about my emotion. Person emotion hilaw na. Datu, it's a movie to isaizi watu ing because the movie gives the movie excites you. You are the movies are exciting. Na and movies na nahile you feel excited. Okay? And then here, your brother looks tired or tiring. Then here, kui kiseham. Nang tu kiseham? No. Na brother tu kiseham. It's in the brother to itabang to kilawam. Itabanga umam. It looks very tiring. Ing pa naman di. Ipizya, it's not your emotion. It's about your brother. Okay? Work today was na exhausted ham exhausting hiding. Ing pa hidi. Chilaya. Oh, ipizya, you are talking about the work that you did today. And then here, I'm exhausted or exhausting. I'm exhausted. Why? You're talking about your emotions. And then here last, my boss is terrified or terrifying. Then this is ing because you are talking about your boss. Okay. Na boss too terrified. Ed hidaman ahile. That means na boss to kitat. Na ay lawahile kitat tinet. And na boss to kitat ed. Ipina su kitat. Tilkhan na su kitat dito na. Iti amma emotions na say di nga hile ed. Ay nga iti la ing naman na hile na boss to kitat mi kitat tahi. He's a scary black person na. Amma he kitat tati na he. Oh. Iti siya to hiti ho tabang ho he. Ahong numzin competitive exam. So na confuse law de ed hiti pala naman de ham ing ti pala naman de ham ed naman na dito ipiham iti ahile you have to use describing your emotions and ing to iti pala naman de ham iti ahile you have to use ing in describing characteristic of something okay iti ato ing ki mga hi to ni class he adjective ed to ing ni sayo hin ihet sin ta diu katasanin kita isan avat bihozo si kakipana kahin ponge. Thank you.